Hey everyone, this is the 1966 Mustang. We are going to replace the carburetor. Here we have the new one, ordered off of Amazon. I can try to drop the link in the description so you have access to that. Here we are, here's the gasket. I will report back to let you know what size takes it off, and we'll see what happens. We got the carburetor off. It takes a 7/16 for these side bolts, and for the hose here, that is kind of in that area. And then we removed the gasket that was on previously with a flathead screwdriver, getting that off. Cleaned it with a brass wire brush so that we did not score the top surface. And now you can see we have the new gasket on. So we're gonna try to line up the carburetor, and fingers crossed it works. Here's the new carburetor. You can see the throttle back here. We'll connect here. This will go up here. This vacuum line will go here, and then we have the fuel attaching here. Moment of truth. Looks like she's gonna work, people. That's all I got. So the carburetor is in. You can see we did not tighten back the fuel line because we're actually going to replace the gas tank, and we're gonna put this into a bucket and get all of the fuel that's in the line out before we replace the fuel tank and also replace this fuel filter later tomorrow. We did connect all of the hoses. So this one takes half, this takes 7/8, and these are the...
This is 1/2 and this is 7/16.
Oops.
This is the vacuum line for your distributor advance for the timing. This runs all the way over. I don't know how original this is. I guarantee you it's not a bent up metal line like this. It was probably routed prettier, but this is vacuum advance for timing. This is your choke. A lot of stuff has an electrical choke. These older cars have vacuum choke, so it's just vacuum advance choke.
And that's what those are. And apologies, this is 7/16 and this is 1/2, not 7/8. Bye for now.